Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we're always on the lookout for innovative electric vehicle technologies that can change your driving experience forever. Today, we're talking about a game-changing battery swap technology that's making waves in the EV world. Imagine being able to swap out your car's depleted battery like a remote control, taking less than 2 minutes to do so. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's becoming a reality thanks to Chinese battery giant Contemporary Amperex Technology Co., Limited, or CATL for short. CATL has been working with several Chinese automakers to develop the Choco swap technology, which allows for fast and efficient battery swaps at specially designated stations. The idea is that you drive to the nearest Choco swap station, where your depleted battery pack is dropped out from under the car and swapped for a fully charged replacement. But what's really interesting about this technology is how it can promote battery longevity. By swapping in a new battery instead of recharging it, you're reducing heat buildup, a major culprit when it comes to shortening battery lifespan. And with the Choco swap system, these batteries from the discard pile can be charged much slower than traditional rapid charging solutions, which is good news for everyone. Now, we know what you're thinking, but won't this technology make gas stations obsolete? While it's true that battery swapping is a significant step forward in EV adoption, there are still some unanswered questions about logistics and compatibility. And let's not forget about the cost. Will owning an EV with this technology be more expensive than traditional vehicles? Despite these concerns, CATL is already operating 34 battery swap stations in Chongqing, China, with plans to expand to 1,000 swap points across the country by 2025. Several major Chinese automakers are also on board, including GAC, Chery, NIO, FAW, and BAIC. So, what does this mean for you? Well, it's still early days for battery swapping technology, but one thing is clear. It's going to change the way we think about EVs in the coming years. And at Electro Drive News, we'll be keeping a close eye on this developing story as it unfolds. That's all for today's episode of Electro Drive News. Thanks for watching.